Hey, Tim Unkert here. In this video today, I want to cover while loops in Python just because I thought it would be fun. So let's first create a function in Python. Let's call this function have subscribed. And we're not going to pass any arguments into the function. Let me get rid of this. What we're going to do, though, however, is we are going to have a variable subscribed. And we'll set it equal to just an empty string. And we'll say while subscribed is not equal to yes, we're going to run a loop here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say subscribed equals an input, and we'll say have you subscribed to Timothy Unkert's YouTube channel. Okay, and and then what we'll say is if subscribed equals yes, then what we'll do is we'll just break out of here. Okay, and then otherwise, what we'll do is we will, what should we do? Well, we could say, or we could print something like wrong answer. Try again. Okay, so, and then what we could do after this is basically we just end the function and let's call the function. So have subscribed. Here we'll call the function. So, and actually if we break out of the while loop, let's go right to the end and we'll print something like, thank you for subscribing and liking this video. Okay. And all right, so we'll save that. I'm going to open up my terminal and I'm going to run this program. So I think I called it, what did I call this program? I just called it while loops. Okay, so we'll just run while loops and have you subscribed? We should leave a space. We say, yes, thank you for subscribing and liking this video. Let's run it again. Have you subscribed? No. Wrong answer. Try again. Maybe. No. Wrong answer. Try again. No. Wrong answer. Try again. Yes. Okay. Thank you for subscribing and liking this video. Now, to complete this, we probably should leave a space here. Let's just make a space. And let's rerun this video again. Have you subscribed to Timothy Unkert's YouTube channel? Yes. Thank you for subscribing and liking this video. That's it for today.